Well, so the 150 walk was actually, it was originally designed by my wife Sally, who's a great walker, and it was designed to celebrate the 150th anniversary of the RFU. We're going to go around the country, meet as many people as we can from as many clubs as we can, to remember the 150th but look forward to the future, and of course to raise money for the Injured Players Foundation. We're starting on the 22nd of October at US Portsmouth in Hampshire and walking through Hampshire, and then we're going through 15 other counties all around the country, ending on the 5th of November, coming into Twickenham via Middlesex. It's really important to support the Injured Players Foundation. Thankfully, we don't have that many serious injuries in rugby, but when we do have them, the IPF is there to support them and their families throughout the rest of their lives. It also is responsible for quite a lot of research into injuries, so it's a great charity and one that I am passionate about supporting. We have a giving page which people can click onto and give, but also they can accompany me on the walk and undertake events in each county to raise money for the charity. We start on the 22nd of October, as I said, in Hampshire, from my club, US Portsmouth. We end in Twickenham 15 days later, on the 5th of November. We're really looking forward to it, and we hope as many of you as possible can join in, either to join us on the walk or simply to donate to the IPF.